So now this is a very, very important point not to cross quickly, because here I have two different types of bases in front of me. I separated them like that. Because you have things, for example, like, let's say, this one here, it's Maggot Royal, or Lily of the Valley Royal in English it would be. So this Maggot Royal or Lily of the Valley Royal is basically a combination of notes which should smell like Maggot or Lily of the Valley. But we already know that there are several of these bases or accords. For example, you have Maggot Invar, for example. In this case, it's from Freighter Works here. So what's the difference between this and that? The difference is simply they smell a little bit different. They both would remind you of Lily of the Valley, but they are different. Same here, jasmine, and again, here you have jasmine. So one is jasmine rousse, and one is jasmine fleur, like jasmine fleurs. They're similar, but they're different. You could automatically tell that the jasmine fleurs has a less spicy aspect to it. It's a more sweet one. Then you have rose blanche and rose rouge, for example. Again, the rose blanche has characteristics of rose, but it's more powdery than the rose rouge, which is more jammy here. But as soon as I told you that this is rose something, you understand that it is rose. But if I come and tell you, for example, meletis or melis, what do you have in mind? You definitely don't have anything in particular, because it's an imagined blend of things that do smell like something completely unique. So that is the most important thing when we talk about bases. That bases are not necessarily something that is rose or jasmine. I can be a perfumer, for example, and create my own base of rose to use in each composition to have a unique signature of rose smell. It will be different composition of rose or different composition of jasmine to make a jasmine base, etc.